How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to add contacts on WeChat. So first things first, let's go to WeChat. Now once you've done it, go to contacts right here and click on new friend and click on add contacts right here. So you have a lot of options how to add contacts on WeChat. You can send them an email right here, or friend radar, or join private group, or you can scan their WeChat QR code, or you can add them via mobile contacts or official accounts or on WeCom contacts. So for me, the easiest way is to invite friends via email right here. I'm gonna go to email and send it to email. So once you've done that, just type on the email of the friend that you want to add and hit on send right here. You can also add them via mobile contacts. So right here, these are your contacts who has WeChat. So to do it, just go to add right here. And you can type them a message like, "Hi, I'm on WeChat, please add me." And you can hide their post like that. And click on send. So that's it, everyone. It's as simple as that. So if you find this video helpful, be sure to give this a like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!